Begin in downward facing dog with the palms firmly grounded and the hips lifting high and back. Take a few breaths here and then bending the knees and lifting the heels to open up through the back of the legs. On an exhale, step your right foot forwards between your hands. Lower down onto your left knee and release the top of the left foot to the ground. Flex your right foot coming up onto the heel and extend your toes back towards you and begin to straighten your right leg as much as you comfortably can. Keep your hips square and stacked over the left knee. Inhale and lengthen the spine, and as you exhale, begin to fold over your right leg, bringing your torso over whilst the back is straight, lifting out the waist. Remain in the pose for a few breaths. To come out of the pose, tuck the left toes under, plant the palms down and slowly bend the right leg, making your way then back to downward facing dog.